In this problem, we have three ordered pairs given, and we need to use those ordered pairs to come up with systems of equations that we can solve so that we can find the quadratic function that passes through those 3 points. Let's look at the first point, 2, -2. So we're going to replace the y with -2 and the x's with 2. So we have -2 equals a times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus c. So I'm going to simplify that, and I have -2 equals 4a plus 2b plus c. Now let's do the next one. We have the ordered pair 1, -3, so -3 equals a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus c. And so now we have -3 equals a plus b plus c. The last order pair is 3, 5. So we have 5 equals a times 3 squared plus b times 3 plus c. That gives us 5 equals 9a plus 3b plus c. Since the middle one has no coefficients in front of a and b and c other than 1, I'm going to use that equation to eliminate, I'm going to eliminate the c's from the first two. So I'm going to take this one, the first one, and I'm going to subtract. I'm going to write it up over here. -2 equals 4a plus 2b plus c. And then I'm going to take the second equation all multiplied by -1, so I'll have 3 equals minus a minus b minus c. When I add them together, I get 1 equals 3a plus b. Okay, so there's my first smaller equation I want to work with. Now I'm going to take the second one, and I'm going to multiply the middle one by -1, so I have 3 equals -a minus b minus c. And when I add them together, I get 8 equals 8a plus 2b. Okay, so now I have a system of two equations in two variables, and I can solve that like we did in section 8.1. So I'm going to multiply this first equation up here, 1 equals 3a plus b, by -2. So I'm going to have -2 equals -6a minus 2b. And then I'm going to add it to the 8 equals 8a plus 2b. When I add them together, I get 6 equals 2a. So now I know a equals 3, and I've got the first number I need. So now I'm going to take the 1 equals 3a plus b, and I'm going to replace the a with the 3, and I'm going to solve for b. So I've got 1 equals 9 plus b. Subtract the 9 from both sides, and I get b equal -8. So now I have my b. I just need my c. So I'm going to take the -3 equals a plus b plus c, replace a with 3, b with -8, and then I'm going to solve it. So let's move the 3 over, move the 8 over, and we'll end up with a +2. So c equal 2. Now we can replace in our equation. We had a equal 3, b equals -8, and c equal 2. This would be the quadratic that goes through those 3 points.